Chicken biryani. Chicken pieces cleaned, marinated with salt, turmeric powder, and lemon juice. Then fry it with 2-3 tablespoon oil. Let it be dry till the oil separates. Keep it aside. Take basmati rice along with 1 tablespoon ghee and bay leaves in the cooker. Cook it for 3 minutes in the pressure cooker. Roast black and green cardamom. Crush them in kalbatta. Take onion, chili, garlic and ginger. Saute them. Take out the mixture when onion is soft. Make a smooth paste of it. Fry the onion, garlic, ginger paste till the oil starts separating. Cut the tomato in small pieces. Fry it till it turns into the homogeneous mixture. Add the earlier partially cooked chicken and mix it. Add the onion, garlic, ginger paste. Fry it till oil separates. It should be mixed. Add chopped green coriander and mint leaves. Cook it for 2 minutes. Keep it aside. Take a cooking pan. Add a spoon of ghee. Put it a layer of partially cooked chicken first. Then a layer of partially cooked rice over it. Spread it. Then again 1 layer of chicken. Then repeat the process. Again the 1 layer of rice. Repeat the process till all the chicken and rice is added. Cover the pot and seal it. Cook it for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. Let the moisture not come out. Chicken biryani is ready to be served.